Chlorogenic acid. Chlorogenic acid is a polyphenolic compound that belongs to the family of hydroxycinnamic acids. It is widely distributed in plants, with coffee being one of its richest sources. It has gained attention for its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and metabolic regulating properties. It is a chemical structure composed of caffeic acid and quinic acid, linked via an ester bond. Natural sources. Chlorogenic acid is found in a variety of plant-based foods and beverages, including coffee, one of the most abundant sources, especially green coffee beans. Fruits, apples, pears, blueberries, and prunes. Vegetables, potatoes, eggplants, tomatoes, and carrots. Herbs, artichokes, and yerba mate. Health benefits of chlorogenic acid. Antioxidant properties. Neutralizes free radicals and reduces oxidative stress. Protects cells and tissues from damage caused by reactive oxygen species. Weight management and fat metabolism. May help regulate fat absorption and metabolism. Associated with reduced body weight and fat storage in some animal studies. Blood sugar regulation slows down glucose absorption. By inhibiting alpha-glucosidase, an enzyme that breaks down carbohydrates, reduces postprandial blood sugar spikes. Cardiovascular health supports healthy blood pressure levels by improving endothelial function. May reduce LDL cholesterol oxidation, lowering the risk of atherosclerosis. Liver protection exhibits hepatoprotective effects by reducing oxidative stress and improving liver enzyme activity. Neuroprotective effects potential to reduce neuronal damage and improve cognitive function through its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory actions. Potential applications. Coffee-based supplements, often marketed for weight loss and metabolic support. Functional foods, incorporated into foods for its health-promoting properties. Pharmaceutical and cosmeceutical, studied for use in skincare and anti-aging treatments. Mechanism of action of chlorogenic acid in the body. Chlorogenic acid exerts its biological effects through several mechanisms that primarily involve its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and metabolic regulating properties. Some breakdown of its main mechanism of action are: antioxidant activity. CGA neutralizes free radicals by donating hydrogen atoms or electrons. It inhibits lipid peroxidation, which protects cell membranes from oxidative damage. Activates the NRF2 ARE pathway, which promotes the production of endogenous antioxidants like glutathione and superoxide dismutase. Anti-inflammatory effects. Inhibition of NF-kB pathway. CGA reduces the activation of the nuclear factor Kb pathway, a key regulator of pro-inflammatory cytokines like TNF-alpha, 1L1-beta, and 1L6. Suppression of cyclooxygenase enzymes. CGA inhibits COX2, an enzyme involved in the synthesis of pro-inflammatory prostaglandins. Blood glucose regulation, inhibition of alpha-glucosidase and alpha-amylase. CGA inhibits alpha-glucosidase and alpha-amylase enzymes responsible for breaking down complex carbohydrates into glucose. This slows the absorption of glucose, leading to lower postprandial blood sugar levels. Improved insulin sensitivity. CGA enhances insulin receptor activity and glucose uptake by tissues, potentially reducing insulin resistance. Lipid metabolism and fat accumulation. Inhibition of fat absorption. CGA reduces the activity of lipase enzymes, which are responsible for breaking down dietary fats. This decreases fat absorption in the intestine. AMPK activation. CGA activates AMP-activated protein kinase, a key enzyme that regulates energy balance by promoting fat oxidation and reducing fat synthesis. Regulation of adipogenesis. Inhibits fat cell differentiation, which may reduce fat accumulation. Cardiovascular. Reduction of LDL oxidation. CGA prevents the oxidation of low-density lipoprotein particles, which is a critical step in the development of atherosclerosis. Improved endothelial function. Enhances nitric oxide production, leading to vasodilation and improved blood pressure regulation. Neuroprotection. Inhibition of neuroinflammation. Reduces the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines in the brain, potentially protecting against neurodegenerative diseases. Reduced oxidative stress in neural cells. Protects neurons by enhancing antioxidant defenses and reducing this accumulation of reactive oxygen species. Hepatoprotective mechanism. Reduction of liver enzyme activity. CGA lowers elevated liver enzyme, indicating reduced liver damage. Inhibition of lipid accumulation in the liver helps regulate lipid metabolism in the liver, potentially preventing non-alcoholic fatty liver diseases. Chlorogenic acid has been studied for its potential role in preventing and managing various diseases due to its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and other bioactive properties. Here's a breakdown of its effects on different diseases. Cardiovascular diseases, blood pressure regulation. Chlorogenic acid can help lower blood pressure by improving vascular function and reducing arterial stiffness. Cholesterol management. It reduces LDL oxidation, which may help prevent atherosclerosis. Anti-inflammatory effects. Reduces inflammation, which is linked to heart diseases. Type 2 diabetes. Glucose metabolism. CGA slows down the absorption of glucose in the intestines by inhibiting glucose 6-phosphatase active. Insulin sensitivity. It may enhance insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Postprandial blood sugar control. Helps control blood sugar spikes after meals. Obesity and metabolic syndrome. Fat metabolism. CGA promotes fat oxidation and reduces fat accumulation, which helps in weight management. Appetite suppression. Some studies suggest it can reduce appetite and calorie intake. Anti-adipogenesis. Inhibits the formation of new fat cells. Neurodegenerative diseases, example Alzheimer's, Parkinson's. Neuroprotective effects. Protects neurons from oxidative stress and amyloid beta toxicity, which are implicated in Alzheimer's disease. Anti-inflammatory. Reduces neuroinflammation, a factor in neurodegeneration. Memory and learning. Some animal studies show improved cognitive function. Cancer prevention. Antioxidant activity. Neutralizes free radicals that can cause DNA damage and cancer initiation. Anti-proliferative. Inhibits cancer cell proliferation by inducing apoptosis, programmed cell death. Angiogenesis inhibition. May prevent the formation of new blood vessels that feed tumors. Liver disease. Hepatoprotective. Protects the liver from oxidative stress and toxin. Digestive health. Gut microbiota modulation. Supports a healthy balance of gut bacteria. Anti-inflammatory. Reduces inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract. Antimicrobial properties. Bacterial infections. Inhibits the growth of certain pathogenic bacteria. Antiviral. May help in reducing the replication of certain viruses. Antifungal. Effective against some fungal infections. Here are some research papers regarding the benefits of chlorogenic acid. Chlorogenic acid's broad spectrum of activities makes it a promising compound for disease prevention. However, more clinical studies are needed to confirm its efficacy in humans. I hope you liked this video. Thank you.